What's up, everybody? Shout out to all our Korean fans. Yes, welcome back. So, today we are going to react Major once again, and this is actually one of my favorite game. Yes, you hear it right.
Yeah.
And
You don't want to know how she's playing it. It's
I feel like I'm in the character on the game, and,
mhm.
and I
She's
like to play it with
completely
sound.
out of breath when she's done playing.
All right.
Why are you running after me? Anyway, let's have a look and enjoy this
Yes.
sound effects. Here we go.
Wow, that's me. Wow. That is amazing.
Yeah, you get nervous already by seeing it. I already notice it's like, ooh, ah, ooh.
Yeah, because I can tell it right. With playing it through my iPad, it's really huge. I feel like in my iPad, like move to the right, move to the left. Oh no, it's only one side, and I get so frustrated when I miss the road. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, you don't want to be next to her when she's playing this because it's like, leaning left, leaning right, and ooh, and then iPad slips out of her hand or whatever. It's anyway.
Yeah. If I play game, I think the whole neighborhood notice, especially on the plane.
Yeah, it's literally a danger in a plane anyway because the plane is going to start doing this. Anyway, I love the sound effects. It's really vivid how they do it. It's always amazed how Matri
Yeah.
gets this done.
And yeah, exactly. And I'm wondering how this group become Matri. What's the story behind it? We saw them performing as well. They actually sing as well, not only sound effect, but they're most famous, I believe, on sound effect acapella. Like, guys, let us know more about them, how they started, how this group being started.
Yeah.
So thank you. We are a fan of them since the first time we hear them doing acapella. So stay tuned for the next one.
All right. Thank you. See you next time. Bye, guys.